this is a ministry that God has called me to, uh, using cars and transportation to spread the word of my personal Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, and the things that He's done for me in my life, and to share them with others. Um, the door was opened over the weekend for a sponsorship through car sponsors. Some people probably going to have negative comments about it, about how it's a scam and this and that. But I'm going to pray. I'm going to let God lead me and guide me and direct my steps. And I thank Him for everything that He's done in my life and the things He's doing in my life. I received a package in the mail. This is the package I received in the mail. In this package is a instant horsepower chip, tuning chip that plugs straight into your vehicle's OBD2 port. Yeah, I don't know nothing about them. This is what it is. It's a little chip. Plugs straight into your factory port. Get these keys out. Turn it to the first stage. Plugs in right there. Then you'll see a little piece in the side of it. There's a hole. So hold it down for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then wait another 20 to 30 seconds. And then start the vehicle. I installed it earlier and drove to town. It seemed like a quicker throttle response. I don't know about how much horsepower it gives you or torque, but I know that to me it felt like it was more of a throttle response. So it might do something to the throttle sensor. I'm not really sure. There's usually a hesitation when you first start out. I'm driving a 2003 Ford Expedition with a 5.4 in it. It's a heavy vehicle. So there's usually like a little bit of a hesitation because I don't stomp the gas everywhere I go. But when I plugged it in earlier and went to town, that hesitation when you first start off from a stop and go, I didn't feel no hesitation there. I don't mean like a hesitation like the vehicle's running bad. Just saying like it seemed like there was a more quicker throttle response. And I thank God for the opportunity to be able to work with car sponsors and their product. I thank HP Horsepower for allowing me to do a review on it. And I thank my personal Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ, for saving my soul from hell. And I know a lot of people is not really going to want to listen to how Jesus Christ saved me and how He'll save you. But if I have to make a decision between representing my personal Lord and Savior or representing some car company or product, it'll be my personal Lord and Savior.